Hi, how are you, my dear children? Good morning. We discussed 1 and 2 lessons in our new block, Beautiful Birds. So, in today's class, we are going to study 3rd and 4th lessons of this block. Okay, so today is our aim. So, the aim of the 3rd lesson is to recognize materials to build a different nest. You know that we are studying about the birds. Before starting the lesson, I want to ask you some questions. Are you ready? Yes, ready. My first question, where do the birds live when it is a baby? Just think, all of you. Where do the birds are living when it is baby? Yes, good. Nest. The birds are all living in nest. Have you ever seen a nest? You may saw different types of nesters, right? Yes, she saw crow's nest, good, and he saw sparrow's nest. Where do the birds are building their nest? On trees, good. Do all birds are making nest on the trees? Now you got confused, right? Do all birds are making nest on trees? No need of confusion, okay? In this lesson, we are going to study it in detail. First of all, we have to observe the pictures of some birds and their nest. After that, we have to complete one table also. Actually, I need your help to complete the table. Will you help me to complete it? Yes, good kids. So, shall we start? Okay, ready. Now, children, we are going to observe the pictures of some birds and their nest. Along with that, we need to complete this table also. Okay, which are the things we need to write in the table, you know? Birds and the size of nest, shape of nest, and the materials used to build their nest. So, while giving the pictures of birds, you observe it minutely, then only you will be able to help me to complete this table. Okay. So, we are going to see the picture of the first bird. The bird is, which bird is this, you know? This is weaver bird. Which bird is this? Weaver bird. W-E-A-V-E-R, weaver bird. Have you observed its nest? How? What about the size of their nest? Size is big. Very good. Then what about the shape of their nest? The shape of the nest of weaver bird is like a funnel, funnel shaped. F-U-N-N-E-L, funnel shape. And what are the materials used to build their nest? Tell me. Yes, it is grass. Then we are moving to the next picture. Which bird is that, children? It is the same bird we saw in the last class. Which bird was this? Yes, it's a swallow bird. Next is a swallow bird. How beautiful their nest is, right? So, these birds actually they know the art of building the nest. They know the art of building nest because their nest is entirely different from other birds' nest. You can see it from the picture itself, right? So, what about the size of swallow bird's nest? It's big and the shape, it's tunnel shape. It's like a tunnel. And what are the materials? What materials are they using? You know, almost all the birds are using same types of materials except this swallow bird. Swallow birds are using mud. how wonderfully they did, how wonderfully they made their nest, right? They are using mud to build their nest. Next is a picture of another bird. Which bird is this? Very familiar with you. This bird is good. What? Which bird is this? Pigeon. Pigeon is also making nest. The size of their nest is big. And shape of the nest is we saw, just like a round shape. And what are they using to make their nest? They are using twigs. Twigs means small branches of the trees and plants. And now we can see another bird. Which bird is this? Very familiar for us. We can see everywhere. Which bird is this? Good. This bird is our crow. Crow's nest also we can see everywhere. What about its size? Big. And shape is also same, round. And they are also using twigs to build their nest. And the last picture you are going to observe, it's the bird is woodpecker, and also see their nest. Wood, pecker. What about the size of their nest? Small. Shape, round. And the materials used to build their nest is wood. So just look at the table, all of you. We observed many birds and their nest, and we have completed this table also. Now just look at the table, all of you. What materials are the birds? What are the materials the birds used to build their nest, children? Grass, mud, twigs and wood. So, all the birds are using different materials to build their nest. And the birds are also using eggshells, grass, leaves, etc. to build their nests. Okay, in short we can say that the birds are using different materials to build their nest. They are using grass, mud, twigs, wood, eggshells, leaves, etc. to build their nest. And their size is different, and shape is different, and the place where they are making their nest is also different. The place for making their nest is also different. Now you understood everything, right? Shall we complete the workbook now? Open S3, all of you. Take your workbook. What do you have to do first? First, we have to write the date. Next, you try to read the question, all of you. Try to read it once. Loud. Madam can hear. Okay. I will read for you. Which of the following is made by birds? Yes, you can see 3 pictures there. From the picture itself, we can understand which is made by a bird. First question is always an easy question. Can we move to the next? Okay. Name the bird whose nest is this. What is it made of? Why this bird's nest is different from other nest? So I told you just before which bird's nest is entirely different from other birds. Which bird knows the good art of building their nest? Which bird is using a totally different material to build their nest? You know it. Okay, now you got some hints. Explain it in your own words. Okay, then the next. Why do birds build the nest? From class 1 itself you learned that. Why do birds are building their nest? When are they making their nest? They need to satisfy their needs. They have to satisfy their needs. Which are the needs? Two are there. Okay. If you don't know, if you forget what you learned from class 1, you will get it in the next lesson. So, after listening to the next lesson, you can complete this question. Okay. So, shall we move to the next lesson? I mean the fourth lesson. Now we are going to complete this block, fourth block. Ready children? Ready. The name of our lesson is taking care of babies. Before that I want to ask you some small questions. Who took care of you when you were a baby? Yes, our parents. What they did for you? Yes, they did everything for us to live comfortably, and they give us food, they give us nice clothes, they give us education, and they protect us from all other harmful things, and everything whatever we need, who is giving? Our parents are giving. Okay. Similarly, the birds are also take care of their babies. That is what we are going to study in this lesson, how they are taking care of their babies. Now you can see the pictures. Some pictures I will show for you, and some pictures are given in your workbook also. Yes, just look at the first picture. It's a picture of mother hen. It's a picture of mother hen. What is she doing there? What the mother hen is doing? She is sitting on eggs to keep them warm. Why the mother bird is sitting on the eggs? The mother bird is sitting on eggs to keep them warm. When the egg get warm, they hatch and the baby will come out of the eggshells. Okay. Then we can see the next picture. Just to see the next picture, all of you. Yeah. The mother bird is feeding its baby. They will find food for their baby, and they will also feed their baby. Just like your parent, right? So, similarly the birds are also taking care of their babies. Then, see the next picture. The third picture. The mother bird is weaving nest. She is making nest. For what they making nest? To lay eggs and to keep their babies, keep their young ones. Okay. Then the fourth and last picture. What the mother bird is doing here? Here. Yes? No idea? Just observe the picture. Yes, the mother bird is pushing its baby. The mother bird is pushing its baby so that it learn to fly. Actually, this bird is giving training for their baby to fly. Okay. Who taught you how to walk? Who helped you? when you were baby, your mother, right? So the same is happening here also. This mother bird is teaching and giving training for its baby to fly. Okay, now you understood, no? So we explained 4 pictures, and the first question for you, it's very easy to complete, right? Children, have you observed the mother duck, how they are caring their young ones? Yes, the mother duck lay eggs in the ground, the nest made in the ground, and then they will take their babies into the water. Actually, the mother duck will not teach their babies to swim and to eat food from the water. They will learn by themselves. The ducklings will learn by themselves. The mother will not teach them. They have a capacity to learn themselves. But the mother duck will keep an eye on them always. They will keep an eye on them. Wherever they go, they will keep an eye on them to protect them from the enemies. Children, what is meaning of ducklings? Duckling means small ones of duck. Baby duck is known as ducklings. Okay. Just like the ducks, the penguins are also take care of their babies in the same way. How, you know? Yes, they also lay eggs in the nest on the ground. They made in the ground, and they will feed their babies, and they will take their babies wherever they go. They will take them along with them to everywhere. Okay, giving food, taking care of them, protecting them from enemies. All the birds are doing in the same way. Okay, you understood everything? Now we can complete the last lesson of the workbook also, right? Okay. Children, the first question we did already. You know how to do. Okay, write it in 2-3 sentences. And the next question, the second question, if you had to take care of a chick, what would you do? The second question, if you had to take care of a chick, what would you do? You have to write the answer in sentence. What you can do for a chick? What do you mean by chick? Kio chick, don't you know? Yeah, small one of hen. Okay, what you can do for them? You can do many things for them, but it shouldn't harm them. Okay, yeah, okay. The next question, how do penguins take care of their babies? Just before we discussed about that. Write it. Okay, you can. Madam know that you are all good kids. So complete the works and send. Stay safe. Thank you.